this pretty random parrot flew in our yard.
Where'd you come from? Okay, never mind.
He just flew over my head.
Well, this is new. Hello, Parrot.
I gave him a couple grapes to see if he was hungry.
What do you think? You like grapes?
We thought he was just flying by. But we came back about 5 hours later and he was still there. But then we noticed something wasn't quite right.
Zach, there's a possum in the tree. We saw that there were maybe 15 possums in our tree, all looking at him with like forks and knives.
We knew like we'd have to get him onto our arm or something to get him inside.
It's okay. I'm scared.
So Ashley got like a full sweatshirt and she wore sunglasses. She thought like, oh, is he gonna poke in my eyes?
He's definitely owned by somebody because he's going right on your shoulder. You just go inside.
Okay. Are you comfortable?
Yeah, he's comfortable.
Okay, good, because I'm not. Should I just put him in the guest bedroom?
Once he was on Ashley's shoulder, we couldn't get him off.
How are you doing?
I mean, I've been worse.
So we knew absolutely zero about birds.
This came to us. We did nothing.
This is your bed for the night. Come on. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. They need 12 hours of sleep, so I think we should close the curtains and then let him slumber.
Yeah. So we were looking online, trying to see if there were any like lost pet posts. And we had an appointment to go get scanned for chip.
Okay, we spilled the bird seed. We didn't know how to clip it on.
2 or 3 days later, we got a knock at the door.
When the neighbors showed up asking if we had seen a parrot,
Pedro, come here.
And she was excited to see Pedro.
we figured, okay, yes, this is your parrot. But we were not expecting the story that came with it. She let us know that she had him for 23 years. For the last 10, he's lived in the backyard next door to ours. So we think that he must have been kind of familiar with us, even though we couldn't see or hear him.
He's watching your laptop.
And then she said she had been looking for someone to adopt him.
You're such a good boy.
She was really shocked to see him be so loving and cuddly with us.
You're crazy. You're a crazy boy.
So she asked, would you want to keep him? We didn't even discuss it. We just immediately nodded.
How's it going, you two?
A couple months before he showed up, our little dog, Marley, passed away. So part of me wonders if he just sort of sensed the sadness and said, hey, you guys need an emotional support parrot? I'm on my way. When we found out his name was Pedro, we updated it to Pedro Pascal.
What do you think?
And oh my God, because we knew nothing about parrots, we bought a bunch of books. We Googled a million things.
Our search terms were just hilarious. Like, what does it mean if he's bouncing on one foot?
So we started doing everything we could.
We were really grateful that we happened to just sort of be a parrot-friendly home to begin with.
The first few days, he was saying yes to a lot more things. It was like, oh, new friends. All right, awesome.
The first week, he would eat pretty much anything out of our garden.
He likes cantaloupe and cucumber.
And he was gobbling it down.
Straight from the garden.
You want some?
And then the more he got comfortable, it's like a toddler. He's like, now I can throw a tantrum and say no. I don't want to eat that for dinner.
You love broccoli. Oh, showing off your wing to us?
When Pedro took his first bath, we didn't know what was going on.
Whoa!
We'd never seen a parrot take a bath before.
Oh, it's water.
So we found an exotic vet here in LA, and that's just like, no, ma'am, that's just a bath. Please don't bring him in.
We had a good handle on how silly and playful and just funny he is.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, he likes it.
We always have a dance party with him, and he is thrilled to be the center of attention. Eventually, he always turns around and he just sort of twerks at us. I don't know where he learned that.
He's dancing. Show me your dance moves.
We'll just put on one of his favorite songs and he just pops right up, whatever he's doing.
And then now he runs the house. He's more chatty. He's just like, hey guys, good morning, what's up?
You're crazy.
If we're sitting around talking, he wants to be a part of the conversation.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. What's happened?
He loves singing along to songs. He loves watching TV. Definitely has genres that he prefers and genres that he doesn't like. And of course, we've been showing him a lot of Pedro Pascal's works. He really likes The Last of Us. He has a favorite, and it's not me. If Zach's working in our office, he's like, can I get up on your shoulder?
The first couple months, he was favoring me a little bit, but he was still being nice to Ashley. And then he started being more bitey and aggressive towards Ashley. Like, he just woke up and chose violence. The full month or so that he wouldn't even let Ashley near him.
It's the best.
So we had a friend who happened to be a bird trainer, and she helped us. And now it's been working.
Every morning we have family cuddle time.
A happy guy.
And he loves cuddling. That's like his favorite time. He'll cuddle into Zach's beard. He'll pick at my hair. He rolls around in the pillows.
Woo.
He definitely likes getting his head scratched and getting preened. He'll climb up the couch, and then he just wants to sit in my lap and just roll around like a dog.
You did it. You did it.
But even now, he likes me, but he loves Zach. Pedro prefers to be near him. We definitely did not expect him to be so cuddly.
He's more emotional than some people.
Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something?
Every piece of him moving in has been surprising. Nothing has been normal. We were not expecting to wake up to a bird in our backyard, but Pedro had other plans.
Once he settled in, we really got to see his Pedro-ness come through.
And he slots right into our family.